Talk about this Meta AI. What do you guys want to imagine me as?
I know, a worker at Hot Dog on a Stick.
Ooh, that's a good
I got
one.
one for you
that's
too.
niche.
How about Olympic gymnast? Can you do
Okay,
that
that's a
one?
good one. I'm going to do the hot dog on the stick first. I don't know if it's going to do that because it's like copyrighted. But
That's a good
We'll let it
test.
generate that. But let me tell you about the feature. It's called very specific.
I
Megan.
know. Well, I
Called
just want to see
Imagine
you in
Me.
that hat.
And it uses.
Because you used to work there, right?
Right.
It did not do it well. It uses your photos to create images of you in different scenarios. You can say, imagine me as a superhero, imagine me on a beach, or pretty much anything else you can think of. I did this all weekend long. No
Really?
joke.
Did you really?
That's all you did.
All weekend.
Oh, look at you, Rich.
You can even change an aspect of the picture after it's generated. Imagine Me is rolling out to users inside Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger. That's me as a TV news person.
Oh, that was?
That's me in Bridgerton. You start the feature by chatting with Meta AI and say, imagine me. It will ask you to take a few selfies to start the process, and the photos it generates are some of the best I've seen, except for the one Megan said.
Oh, no.
This is me as the hot dog on a stick.
me see.
I don't think it.
No.
No, it didn't.
Not understand.
But let me see. What did you wanted as the
Olympic gymnast.
Okay,
That's a good
imagine me as an Olympic, not Ozempic person. Okay, sorry.
That's a whole different thing.
That's a whole different thing.
Yeah.
An Ozempic journalist.
Okay, so as I let this generate, we'll go to the website, richontech.tv. I've got the instructions on how to access this. It's really cool. You don't have to download anything. It's inside of Instagram. There I am as an Olympic gymnast.
Let's see.
And it's
Oh,
just,
no way.
you know, it's just kind of fun.
Yeah, that is good.
Yeah.
So it's not bad. I did, I mean, all weekend, I'm not kidding. Like all my texts were just this.
Who are you sending them to yourself?
Anyone who would accept it.
Right. They're like, all right, enough already.
I mean,
We get it, Rich.
It's one of these things where you try it and you're like, oh, fine, I'll do
Yeah.
it. And then all of a sudden you're just like, oh, let me see me as this.
And then you're kind of
And
hooked.
these
Yeah.
types of things are very fun for a couple days, and then you kind of forget about them.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
But thank you, Rich.
Very cool.
Yeah.
You've wasted so many people's time.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thanks again.
And I